Why do good people suffer? The Islamic answer. Have you ever looked at someone kind, someone who prays, someone who helps others, and wondered, Ya Allah, why are they suffering? Or maybe you've asked a harder question. Why am I trying to be close to Allah, but life keeps getting harder? If you've ever asked that, you're not alone. And the answer might change the way you see every hardship in your life. Many people believe that if Allah loves you, life should become easy. No problems, no tears, no pain. But when we open the Qur'an and look at the lives of the prophets, we find the exact opposite. The people whom Allah loved the most were often tested the most. Prophet Ayyub, A.S., lost his health, his wealth, and many of his loved ones. Prophet Yaqub, A.S., cried for years after being separated from Yusuf, A.S. Prophet Yusuf, A.S., was betrayed by his own brothers, thrown into a well, sold as a slave, and imprisoned for a crime he never committed. Even our beloved Prophet Muhammad faced rejection, mockery, loss, and hardship throughout his life. If hardship meant Allah didn't love someone, the prophets would have lived the easiest lives. But they didn't. The Prophet Muhammad said, "The people who are tested the most are the prophets, then those most like them." This teaches us something powerful. A test is not proof that Allah has abandoned you. Sometimes it is proof that Allah is preparing you. Just like gold is purified through fire, a believer is strengthened through trials. Think about your own life. Maybe you're struggling with anxiety. Maybe you've lost someone you love. Maybe you've made dua for years, yet nothing seems to change. It's easy to think, why me? But maybe the better question is, what is Allah teaching me through this? Sometimes hardship teaches patience. Sometimes it teaches gratitude. Sometimes it brings us back to Allah after we became distracted by this world. And sometimes the wisdom isn't something we understand today. Maybe we'll only understand it years later. Or maybe only when we stand before Allah. Allah says in the Quran, "Indeed, with hardship comes ease." Surah Ash-Shar 94:5-6. Notice, Allah didn't say there would never be hardship. He promised that ease comes with it. Sometimes we only notice the hardship and completely miss the mercy that came beside it. A friend who supported us, a dua that brought peace, a sin that Allah erased because of our patience, a heart that became stronger than before. So if today you're carrying a burden that no one else can see, don't think your pain is meaningless. Allah sees every tear, every silent dua, every sleepless night. Nothing is hidden from Him. Not a single moment of patience is wasted. Every second you remain patient for the sake of Allah is being recorded. Ending. One day, every test will end. Every tear will stop. Every hardship will become a memory. And on that day, when Allah rewards those who remained patient, you may realize that the trial you wanted to escape was actually the reason you became closer to your Lord. So don't let hardship convince you that Allah has forgotten you. Sometimes, the greatest evidence of Allah's care is not a life without tests. It's the strength He gives you to keep going through them. Trust Him. Stay patient. And remember, Allah never wastes the reward of those who are patient. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.